Okay, hi, hello. It's me. This is the kitchen of our new house. Welcome. So, before you, we have some canvases that I have painted white. I got some white stuff from Hobby Lobby, but this is what they used to look like. But I am too impulsive and didn't get a before shot. So there's some white canvases. We're gonna try and make it look something like this, hopefully. So join me on this journey because I am no longer a pink and blue gal. I am now a neutral and green gal. Here we go. Okay, and disclaimer, I'm not an artist. I am a crafty person. So we're gonna see how this is gonna go. These are gonna go in the guest bedroom, and the vibe in there is very like kind of moody, but still with like bright neutrals. So think greens, and the bed frame is black, but the bedding is like a cream, and I've got other floral inspiration in there as well. So we're going like very nature, very soothing. Think like landscape, farmhouse, rustic, but like not weird Smoky Mountain vibes, not yeehaw vibe. Here's a preview of the room that they're gonna go in. They're gonna sit right above the bed frame there. I have this piece of art up here as well. We'll do something in the corner there in a little bit. But yeah, we've got like creams, blacks, green with my olive branches, a little bit of gold with my really cool old style phone right there. But I really want to just add something to the wall and it's gonna look good. So now that I've finished painting the base on those, we need to let it dry. Oh God, I'm scared. So this is what we've got going on. You can see there's a little bit of texture, but that's fine. We want a little texture. It's gonna look great. Here are my supplies. I got a sponge to make things look textured. Got some brushes. This is the base color right here. Got it from Hobby Lobby. This is a sample from Home Depot for our walls. And then I got some other colors as well. Some black, some brown, some green, and some more gray. This is technically grayish, so it's a little more brown than a normal gray. One of these is dry, but I'm too impatient to wait, so I'm gonna start sketching out kind of what I'm gonna do here. On the picture, we've got some darkness on the bottom and then like a white, gray, cloudy sky up top. So I'm gonna like start drawing kind of like a rigid line about a third of the way up from the canvas. So like I said, I'm just going in with my pen and kind of sketching out where I want my hills and my clouds and my trees to be. But the good news is this example looks a lot like a blob. I can do a blob. So we're gonna just be playing with a bunch of different colors. Hope for the best. All right, so basically I am referencing that picture this entire time. I started off with the clouds. I went in with a light gray, and then I slowly start adding some dark gray with my sponge and brush just to make that cloudy effect. I'm adding black as I go, really just smudging and dabbing and going for it. Now I'm moving to the actual landscape part. I started off with my dark corners, and then I'm adding my shadows to try and make those hills. You know, those middle school art classes really coming in clutch right now. Adding brown and green and some more shadows, and really it looks like nothing until it turns into something, I guess. And I'm just dabbing away, adding my highlights and my whites and smudging some more, and just keep going. Anything's possible. I'm just going until it looks like something. Again, I'm not a professional, but just adding color, taking away color, scratching things, smudging things until it looks like a picture. And then it started to look like one. And then I was like, okay, this is going great. So this is painting number 1. Still got 1 to go. Let's see if I can duplicate it. I mean, it's definitely a Picasso because like from far away it looks great and you get up close and you're like, what is that? My canvas. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like an artist. Okay, and disclaimer, I'm not an artist. Like, I think that looks pretty cool and I think hanging up on the wall will look cool. I'll paint the borders, throw it on the wall, see what it looks like. What do you think? Okay guys, I'm actually so happy with how these turned out. I'm gonna show you in 2 seconds, but let's keep in mind, 1, I'm not an artist. Okay, and disclaimer, I'm not an artist. I realized about halfway through this process, you just like keep smudging stuff, sponge and smudge, and I used my fingers and my hands, and you'll see in that video, just from far away, it looks great. Up close, you're just like, what is that? But I can't wait to show you. Okay, here it is. So this is the finished project. Let's keep in mind what they used to look like. And I'm pretty stoked with how they came out. We've got the colors coordinating finally. Got a little hill action going on. So this is the second one I did. I decided to put a little house right there. Like, who doesn't want to live in a little house? And then this side is more so like we got like a little cliff, some flowers, some hills. It's a little stormy. We got some clouds. It's about to rain. I feel like they tell a story. I don't know. Is this something you would try? It took a lot of guts, but here we are. I call this a win. A win's a win. So yeah, that is the project. I think in total it took 2 hours. I think the first one took longer. And then I just got in the groove of the second one and I think they turned out great. I am not good at putting videos out very often, so you're just gonna get lucky when you see one that's posted. So make sure you turn on those notifications to never miss my impulsiveness debauchery.